we present to you the effective and non-chemical technology of soybean processing. It all starts with the preparation of the raw material. Step number 1. Soybean dehulling. Soybeans are cleaned of impurities and dried up to 8% before being fed into the dehuller mill. 2 pairs of rollers crush the soybeans, the shells burst, and the kernels break into several parts. The soy kernel and hull mixture moves through the transportation system into the air separator. Soybean shells are very light, allowing the airflow to move husks up and output them through the cyclone. Soybean kernels are discharged from the air separator and fed into the extruder. Step number 2. Processing soy in the extruder. The feedstock is conveyed forward by the screw inside the extruder barrel. Under a high shear, it is compressed, mixed, and heated. The soy is processed in less than 30 seconds. High pressure and temperature destroy harmful substances and microorganisms, but proteins and fats do not lose their properties due to the short time of cooking. The final product is a full-fat soy meal. The screw feeder feeds soy meal into the mechanical oil press. Step number 3. Mechanical oil extracting in the oil press. The product is moved along the press cage, being squeezed and pressed again. Under pressure, the oil seeps out through the press cage gaps and gathers in the reservoir below. We also get an oil cake with oil content of 7 to 8% and temperature 120 to 130 degrees Celsius. Step number 4. Cooling the oil cake down. The oil cake is fed into the cooler. The cooler's tumbler rotates and stirs the oil cake down to the discharge section. The fan creates a flow of air through the raw material. Heat is exchanged between the cold air and the hot oil cake. After the oil cake has been discharged from the cooler, its temperature is 10 to 15 degrees higher than the temperature in the shop. The resulting cake is ready for storage for up to 3 months. Only 4 simple steps and you get perfect ingredients for use in the feed industry. No solvent extraction, only mechanically pressed oil, high protein full fat soy meal, and soy cake.